Hyper-V is a virtualization platform that is included in the Windows operating system. Here are the detailed step-by-step instructions for installing Hyper-V on a Windows computer. Follow these steps. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel in the search bar. Click on the search result that appears. In the Control Panel window, click on Programs and Features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the Windows Features window that appears, scroll down and locate Hyper-V. Check the box next to it. If you want to install additional Hyper-V features, expand the Hyper-V option by clicking on the plus sign next to it. You will see options such as Hyper-V Management Tools, Hyper-V Platform. Once you have selected the desired options, click OK to start the installation process. Windows will download and install the necessary files. This may take several minutes. After the installation is complete, you will see a message asking you to restart your computer. Click Restart Now to complete the installation. After your computer restarts, open the Hyper-V Manager by typing Hyper-V Manager in the search bar and clicking on the search result. In the Hyper-V Manager, you can create and manage virtual machines, switches. From my next video, I explain how to create virtual machine and virtual switch. Thank you for watching this video. If you helpful this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.